Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetable okra soup. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh okra, which we'll chop finely. We'll also use a protein, like beef or chicken, along with some essential vegetables such as tomatoes and onions. Don't forget your favorite spices to build that rich, authentic flavor. This simple approach ensures a truly satisfying meal. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Start by washing and chopping your 1 pound of fresh okra into small, even pieces. Next, dice 1 large onion and 2 ripe tomatoes. These will form the aromatic base of our soup. If you're using beef or chicken, cut it into bite-sized pieces and quickly sauté until lightly browned. This step adds depth and flavor before everything comes together. It's time to bring everything together. In a large pot, combine your sautéed protein, diced onions, and tomatoes. Pour in about 4 cups of water or broth, then add the chopped okra and your favorite spices. Stir everything well, then bring it to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the soup to thicken beautifully. Your delicious vegetable okra soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, perhaps alongside a traditional side like fufu or a simple bowl of rice. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh cilantro or a tiny sprinkle of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. This hearty and flavorful soup is perfect for any meal. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.